Hi friends, welcome back to Walmart out in the garden center. These moms are by Better Homes and Gardens. Garden Mom Cheryl Jolly Red for $17.48. It gets 15 to 18 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 18 to 24 inches. Hardy to zone 4, minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms mid to late fall. Yes, guys, so this is Jolly Red. Really pretty, and that price is not bad at all. And how beautiful is this basket? The basket is gorgeous. Repurpose. Okay, this one is sparkling yellow. And this one is Gardening Mom Beverly Bronze. Okay. Ooh, this is gorgeous. And this one is Regal Purple. I took the mom out of the basket to show you the pot size, and it looks like it's like a 3-gallon pot size. So this one is by Expert Gardener. It is $8.88, and this is in a 1-gallon pot. Yeah, that pot is cute. So this one is the Purple Mom. It needs full sun, 6 hours or more, water daily. This is in a 1-gallon pot. So this one gets 10 to 20 inches tall. The spacing is 12 to 24 inches apart. Protect from frost and blooms late summer through autumn. Oh yes. Woo! Thumbs up for the knees, guys. The same moms are over here, minus the pot. They are $6.34. Same moms, same colors, just outside of the pot, by Expert Gardener. Super Cal Petunias, super color in any weather. Really? Okay. So it says, I love part sun. It is $5.47. Light, moist, well-drained soil. It gets 14 to 20 inches tall. The spacing is 14 to 30 inches apart. Hardy to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Blooms early spring to fall. Okay. Ooh, look at that pretty color there. Beautiful. 3-color combo mom for $11.88. And this one is in a 1.5-gallon pot. Well, we know the specs, so we don't have to do the specs on all of them. The smaller moms are $1.94. These coleuses are by Better Homes and Gardens. They are annuals, and this one says Ignite Ruby Slipper for $14.97. It needs full sun or shade, 2 to 6 hours. It gets 14 to 24 inches tall, spaced 14 to 16 inches apart, and thoroughly allowed to dry before watering again. Alrighty friends, more moms over here in this 2-tone pot. Gorgeous. So this is a 3-color combo for $24.84 by Better Homes and Gardens. It's the Containers Made Easy, fits 10 to 12 inch container. Okay, so these are $15.97. Another Containers Made Easy with the succulents. And these are $24.96. If you made it this far in the video, guys, put down in the comment section, I'm here. Layla Cypress, I knew it. This one needs full sun, 6 hours or more, and water 2 to 3 times per week. It is $19.84 for a 2.25-gallon pot size. This one gets 60 to 70 feet tall. The spacing is 15 feet apart, hardy to minus 10, and it grows for the foliage, and it is beautiful. This is the Dwarf Alberta spruce for $29.74. It needs full sun, 6 hours or more, and water 2 to 3 times a week. Here's another Alberta spruce tree here, a little small one, guys. And this one is $14.97. Why the Mandevilla trellises are in here, but they are for $29.97. The snake plant is $24.84. Beautiful leaves on this one. Yes, guys, all of these are $24.84. This one is $19.98. $9.96 on these. These are $19.98. Aren't they gorgeous? $24.94 on this one. Ooh, nice pumpkins back here. No prices on the pumpkins, guys, but I will show you what they have. It's $15.97 on this one. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Walmart out in the Garden Center. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for all the support that you show me on my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, and to all of my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. So until next time, guys, you all be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.